Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this podcast, I'm going to explain about 20th aphorism according to Organon of Medicine 6th edition. So let's get started. So this aphorism, before I begin, I have to remind you all that this is a drug proving definition. Put it in simple words. So this is the first time the effect or say the principle behind drug proving has been put forth by Hahnemann. So I'll be just reading it again. The spirit-like power to alter man's state of health, which lies hidden in the inner nature of medicines, can in itself never be discovered by us by a mere effort of reason. It is only by experience of the phenomena it displays when acting on the state of health of man that we can become clearly cognizant of it. So, this spirit like power, that means the dynamic nature of. Vital force is only acted upon by the medicine, which is also dynamic in nature, whose action can only be felt and can completely understood only after being examining or say after being testing that on healthy individuals. We can actually understand what the medicine nature is. We cannot get an idea of how exactly a medicine works on by examining or testing it on diseased individuals, but we can only get the true nature or say the true powers of medicines when we examine them on healthy individuals. So this is the base of drug proving of homeopathic medicines and also of materia medica, which is nothing but the collection of all the symptoms that have been produced when medicines are prescribed or when medicines are tested in different genders, different age groups, and but healthy individuals. That is something which we need to remember. So that is something which is Hahnemann tried to explain in 20th aphorism. So don't forget, this is something based for drug proving as well. So that brings me to the end of this podcast. Hope this podcast was helpful. If so, don't forget to subscribe to this channel for such more homeopathy related videos and podcasts. Thank you. Bye bye.